The best niche for autoblogging is how-to blogs. So these are the best niche, and then make fashion blogs and news blogs. So we even got the news automation. So if I click on news article and if I input a query, you will get the latest news stories fetched and you can write articles on it. But yeah, best niches for autoblogging 2026, how-to blogs, which doesn't require, like how-to blogs, if you write once and then you never have to update, right? If you write, example, what I can say is, if you write for query how to tie, then like you write it once and you don't have to change anything, right? So this is just the how to tutorial, right? There's no updated information. And then we have got the fashion blogs, right? Top 10 ways to dress like dress for Christmas. Of course, this is a Syrian keyword, but if you write it once, there's no need to update it again, right? And then we have got the news blogs. News blogs are for certain period of time, and then no need to update because you have new information to write, right? So the news blog just be in a trend for a while and then they die. So that's all. So these are the best niches for autoblogging according to me.